Hey, good morning, what's up guys? Welcome to John's Moto Garage. I'm John, this is where we buy, ride, and sell motos. Today we're going to be going over the numbers on the Yamaha V-Star 950 Bolt. I did end up selling that bike, so let's see if I was able to make any money. Did I break even? What happened with the Bolt deal? We will find out here shortly. Before we jump into that, I do want to just give a quick update. I got some extra dinero, some cash, and it's burning a hole in my pocket. It's not enough to buy a bike, so we're gonna have to do a giveaway. I appreciate the support and I want to keep things rolling, so we'll do a cash giveaway at the hundo subscriber mark. So be sure to smash the like button, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. It'll be $100 cold hard cash. We'll do at least 2 or 3. I'll release more details on the specifics, but it'll most likely be subscribe, comment what your favorite moto is, what your dream bike is. So we'll make it rain dinero for the cash giveaway. All we gotta do is 100 subscribers, you guys. Shouldn't be too gnarly. Let's get the ball rolling. Well, let's go ahead and jump into it. We'll see what we were able to make on the V-Star 950 Yamaha Bolt. Alright, we're going to be taking the Triumph Bonneville T100 Black out for a ride. This is the closest thing I have resembling the Yamaha V-Star Bolt as far as being in the same class as bikes, kind of that bobber style. Let's take this sucker out. I was out doing burnouts the other day, so got all dirty on the back. Burnouts in the dirt, you guys. I wouldn't dare do it on the street, not on a bike like this. Pipeline gas warning. Something about being able to do a burnout in the dirt. So cool, you guys, so cool. Alright, let's take this sucker out. Alright you guys, this will be a real quick video. It's raining outside right now. It's almost like we're in Seattle up in the great northwest, but we're not. We're in Arizona. So no complaints, we definitely need the rain. Alright, let's jump into it. If you haven't already, check out the video where I buy the Yamaha Star Bolt 950 off Craigslist. Today we're going to be going over the numbers on that bike. If you checked out my last video where I did the mini ride-in review, I let you know somebody was coming down from northern Arizona to check out the bike. The dude showed up. Awesome dude. Him and his family, they showed up with the trailer when they said they would, and he ended up buying the bike, and I think he was pretty stoked on it. Saying adios to the Yamaha Bolt. She's going to a good home. In fact, he ended up subscribing to the channel, so if you're watching this video, shout out. Hope you're loving the bike. So here's the numbers. I bought the bike for $32.50. $32.50?
Yes, sir.
Is a 2014 Yamaha Star Bolt 950. Had 1,400 miles. Again, the only reason I was able to get it for so dang cheap was because the dude had no idea what he was doing as far as marketing the motorcycle. And I posted the bike for $43.50, knowing that I was undercutting all the competition, and I had a ton of people hit me up right off the bat, and I think it went to the right person. Like I said, he really seemed to like the bike, and even at that price with 1,400 miles, you can ride that bike for a year, 2 years, put 10,000-15,000 miles on it, and you're going to be able to at least get very close to what you paid for it. If not, maybe even make some money. I don't know. Only time will tell. But that's the story on the Bolt. So let's do the math. $32.50, $43.50, $1,100. I bought that thing on the Sunday, sold it I think on like a Wednesday or a Thursday, I don't know. So that was a relatively quick flip. I gotta get back to La Casa, you guys. This is deadly. This is deadly out here. We're gonna get monsoon haboob. I can't be having this bike out in the rain. I'm going back to the house, you guys. But there you have it, Yamaha V-Star 950 Bolt. That's the money that was made. And I went and checked out another Bolt just the other day because I really dig those bikes and I wanted to buy another one. And to my dismay, well, you'll have to check out that video. You can see what happens. We got a fellow scooter rider coming up here. We'll give him the wave. Braving the weather, the elements, riding in the rain. Come on, you can do it, you can do it. There we go, there we go. Good. You guys think I can hit this jump? Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to John's Moto Garage. This is where I buy, ride, and sell motos. We're doing a cash giveaway here soon. We want to hit 100 subscribers. When we do, we'll be doing a drawing, just giving away some cold hard cash. Might be in the form of PayPal or Venmo. All you gotta do is subscribe, of course. Comment below what your dream bike is, or what you're riding now, or what you would like to get. And then follow me on Instagram too, John's Moto Garage. I haven't really posted anything there yet, but you can start following, and I'll get content up there soon enough. Thanks to all those supporting the channel thus far. We will hit you guys up on the next one. Hasta luego. Dang it. I shouldn't have thrown my cash. Now I gotta pick it up. That's the worst. And I probably should have counted it first, because I don't even know if I got all the money. Yep. There's some more. If you guys see any money laying around in my garage, let me know.